Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas video because it was requested, and I love showing people what I got for Christmas because it gives people ideas of what to ask for next Christmas, and I love seeing what people get, so I figured you guys would too. So let's get started. It's disclaimer time. I just wanted to say that I'm not bragging in any way. I'm doing this video for entertainment purposes only, not to be like, oh my god, I got this and you didn't, so I'm better than you, because there's a lot of bitches out there like that, but I'm not one of those. So I hope you enjoy watching this video because I'm trying to show you what I got, because a lot of people do it, and yeah, I shouldn't even have to say it, but you know, sometimes you just have to. So to say, I literally just got my hair done and it looks so good, so I'm really excited for that. But anyways, I'm gonna start with my stocking stuffers that I got for Christmas. And the first thing I got is this spray, and it's called Poo Be Gone, because my mom thought it would be funny to give me some spray for the toilet. Thanks, Mom. A 4-pack of Real Technique blenders because mine are dirty as shit. The next thing I got is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, which I got a sample of a long time ago and I absolutely loved, so I got the full size. I just got like a bunch of candy and stuff, so I got some Werther's hard candies. I got some of these sour straps. I got a Bounty chocolate bar because they're my favorite. I got some Coca-Cola bottles, and then I got some nibs. Okay, so there's a couple more things that I got in my stocking. I got these touchscreen gloves, which are super cute. I got a lot of scrunchies. I asked for colorful scrunchies, so I'm really glad that I got so many. A argan oil hair mask. I got a macadamia oil hair mask. These wildflower car air fresheners, Moroccan argan oil hair mask, a coconut water mask. Oh, this is for your face. That's cool. A green tea and ginger peel off mask. I was like totally not expecting at all, but I got a $50 garage gift card, a $50 gas gift card, and a $15 Starbucks gift card in there as well, which I'm very, very thankful for because gas is rough these days. So I'm gonna go into my gifts for my friends. So let's start with my BFF Brittany. Brittany, if you're watching this, which you totally are because you told me you were going to, I love you. Thank you so much for my gifts. I got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask, which I clearly already use. I love it, so thank you, Britt, for that. So if you're seeing a theme with Briogeo products, that's because it's my favorite hair care brand. So good. So she got me this set of Mystical Minis, and it comes with a deep conditioning mask and a exfoliating shampoo, which is super cool, and I really, really can't wait to use them because I love it. So thank you, Britt, for that. I threw in these two oils. So this one is an argan oil and this one's a coconut oil that I'm going to use for my hair. So thanks, sweetie. I love you. So the next gift is from my bestie, Amber, and she got me a lot of stuff, which I'm very thankful for. She first got me this, which is super funny. She got me a C for my room that lights up, and the funny thing is I got her the exact same one, but it's an A, and it was funny because like we got each other the exact same gifts, which is hilarious because we weren't expecting that, so I guess we know each other pretty well. Then she got me some mini Bounty bars. She got me a Vanilla Bean Noel spray, which it's my favorite scent, so I can't wait to use that as well. She got me some hair elastics, which I really, really need. There's this little like Korean Asian beauty store in our mall that I'm like obsessed with. So she got me a lip tint from there, and it looks like this, and I'm like super excited to use it. She also got me a mascara from there, and I'm excited to use that as well. And she got me this Velvet Lippy from Absolute New York. She also got me this jade roller because I talked about it with her for like hours, and I was like, okay, I really, really, really want one of these. So she got me that, so thank you, Amber. The very last thing she got me is this belt that I was looking at, and I was like, okay, I cannot afford a Gucci belt. Like, no, not happening. So she got me the closest thing to one, which is this. And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh my god, like, you can't afford Gucci, like, don't wear fake stuff. But honestly, like, this isn't even Gucci. This is from, like, Urban Behavior or something. Like, I don't even care what people think, so if you see me wearing this, just keep looking, bitch, because I don't care. So that's everything from Amber. Thank you so much, Amber. I love you. My next gifts are from my friend Rachel, my BFF Rach. She got me a candle from Bath & Body Works, and it's called Iced Crayon Apple. And it smells so good, and I can't wait to use that, so thank you, Rachel. And then she also got me this set of, oh my god, you can't even see it. It's this Moroccan oil set, and it comes with a dry shampoo, an oil, and a body moisturizer, and I'm super excited to use that, so thank you. My friend Maria got me this Neutrals color eyeshadow and blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I was looking at this for a while and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. And then she was like, oh, I'll get it for you. And I was like, oh my god. So yeah, we exchanged gifts and I really, really love it. So thank you, Maria, for that. It looks like this and I'm in love, so I can't wait to use it. So my next gift is from Megan, and Megan's like my longtime friend. So if you've seen any of my like birthday, Christmas hauls, there's always stuff from her. So thank you, Megan. I love you. But she got me some reindeer Rudolph socks, and I'm so excited to use these, so thanks, Meg. A wild argan oil body butter, some eye makeup remover, a hemp hand cream, a Satsuma shower gel. She got me a pack of lighters because I literally am losing mine everywhere and I need them for my candles. She also got me a Sephora gift card, which I already used, so thank you, Megan. I love it so much. So my next gift is actually from my boyfriend's mom. So she got me a box of turtles, which I love, so thank you for those. And then she also got me this, which I've actually never had one of these. It's just like one of those like head wraps that you wear like this in the winter to keep your ears warm, so thank you for that. So the next gifts are from my boyfriend Sam. Many of you know him, so thanks, Sam, for all my gifts. You did a great job. So I got this shirt from American Eagle, which is super, super cute. He knows I like my stripes, so thank you, Sam, for that. And one of the very, very big gifts he got me is this. Oh, I asked him for it, like I would not stop bugging him. This is how bad I wanted it. It's just a big teddy bear Sherpa coat from Garage that I've been asking for so long, and he got it for me, so thank you so much, Sam. I actually really appreciate that. Got me this Guess t-shirt dress, which is super freaking cute, and I would not expect to ever own something like this, and it's so cute, and like he did a great job. Because I would never think to get like a freaking t-shirt dress. Like I love this so much. So thank you, Sam. I'm very excited to wear this. I love it. Then he got me a box of my favorite chocolates. And these are like 20 bucks a tin because they're like Christmas chocolates. These are my favorite things ever. If you've never had them, go get them because they're my favorite. So thank you, Sam. You already know that I'm going to be picking out on those. The last thing he got me, I literally was in tears when I opened it. Like, tears were streaming down my face. The James Charles palette. I got the palette. He literally bought it as soon as it hit 11 o'clock. The second time it came back in stock, and he got it. Before it sold out, he got it. Like, that's just so nice of him. The fact that, like, he took his time to order something he has no clue about is just, like, amazing to me that he managed to still make it in time to get it for me. So, thank you, Sam. I'm going to cherish this with my whole heart for the rest of my life. I love you. Sam also got me these American Eagle flip mittens, which are super fuzzy, and they're really, really cool. So, like, you stick your hand in, and it's like this, and you can like stick your fingers out, which is super cool. And he said this would be good for when I'm like dusting the snow off my car, which is super true. So thank you, Sam, for those. So the next gifts are from my aunt, my uncle, and my 2 cousins. So I got this first that said Cassie and Sam, so this was actually for both of us. But it is a Great Escape Cineplex card, so it comes with 2 tickets to see a movie, 2 drinks, and a popcorn to share. And I'm super, super excited because we don't go on that many dates, and the fact that it's basically free now is amazing. So thank you for that. They also got me a Vanilla Bean Noel fragrance mist, which now I have 2 of. I got a mini body cream of Vanilla Bean Noel and the big size because it took me forever to find one of these and I couldn't find them anywhere. But since they live far away from me, they found it at their store, so I'm very excited to use them. I also got a Sephora gray clay mask and a Sephora purple clay mask, a Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo, a $20 Starbucks gift card, so thank you so much for that, and a Tim Hortons gift card, so thank you guys for all of my gifts. My aunt, she got me a pomegranate face mask, a pair of fuzzy socks that have llamas on them, and I think that's super cute, so I can't wait to wear that. And then she also got me a candy cane, so thank you for that. I forgot to mention this, but my other aunt also got me, so my grandpa and his wife got me a gift card for Timmy. Also got me this 6-foot long, oh my god, you can't even see it. It's a snow brush, and my parents were looking for one of these for me for so long because I'm 5 feet tall, if you didn't know. So trying to scrape the snow off my car and the ice is super hard for me. So they got me a 6-foot long one. They also got me this huge safety kit that is for your car, and it comes with a bunch of things like hand warmers and like traction mats, a blanket, all this stuff that you need for like emergencies. But the cool thing about it is that it comes with a year-long roadside assistance situation. If my car breaks down, I get towing for free, and whatever I need, any assistance, like if my car breaks down or something, they'll like jumpstart it for free, which is great because I would really appreciate that considering I have no clue what I'm doing. So if that happened to me, I would literally cry. So my aunt got me this really cute vest, and I believe it's from Old Navy, and I just really love it, and I asked for a vest, so thank you so much for that. Now for the gifts from my parents. I actually got what you're seeing right now. I got a ring light, and it comes with a stand, and it was super generous of them because I know those aren't cheap. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for getting me a ring light, so my videos are 10 times better. So the next gifts are still from my parents. So I actually got to open this on Christmas Eve. I got a pair of red Sony headphones for when I'm editing my videos because the little ones kind of hurt my ears. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for getting me these because these are going to come in handy. Got a Licenza push-up bra that is like strapless, so I can use it with anything. So thank you, Mom, for that because I definitely know my dad did not pick that out. I got this Contigo, I don't know how to say it, water bottle, and I really wanted like a good water bottle because I don't drink water at all, so I need to start doing that. This cozy PJ set from Licenza from my mom, so thank you for that. I also picked out this super cute little watch for me. It's like a baby pink silicone watch, if you can even see it there. I'm trying to hold it up. There you go. She got me this giant caramel apple that has chocolate and nuts on it, and I'm honestly gonna devour that. My mom ordered this for me online, and I got the sultry palette. I'm so excited for that because honestly I've been looking at this for so long and I was like, oh my god, like I really need this palette. It's so natural and all the colors I use on a daily basis, so thank you, Mom, for that. She got me the Briogeo leave-in conditioning spray because, as you guys know by now, my favorite brand. She got me the Sephora 10 Wear foundation because I've been wanting to try this because it's a cheaper high-end foundation. So I'm hoping that it works well for me. And when she ordered my stuff online, she got a free bag of a lot of samples. And by a lot, I mean like a lot of samples. So there's thousands of those in there, so I'm not going to go into it, but thank you for that. Also picked out this bracelet set from Anne Klein, and it's like rose gold bracelets, bangles actually, with little diamonds all over them. And I think they're gorgeous. Stuff from them is basically just a lot of clothes, but I got this shirt jacket type thing from Forever 21. It's just like a utility jacket. It's super cute. I'm gonna like leave it unbuttoned when I wear it, but I love it, so thank you, Mother and Father. I also got this Champion crew neck, and it's in a really pretty purple color, and I'm super excited to wear that as well because look at this, it's so nice. I've been looking for a light colored jean jacket for a really long time, and I'm super happy that she got me this. Well, both my parents did. Because it's so nice and I can't wait to wear it with like all my outfits. They got me this, I don't know what you would call this, beige cardigan, which is super cute, creamy, but not really. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super cute. So thank you so much for that. They also got me this sweater that looks like this. And it's super wintry, super cute, and I'm really excited to wear it. It's super heavy too, so that's going to keep me warm. This Nike sweater with the matching Nike track pants to go with it. So basically I got a tracksuit, so thank you Mom and Dad for that because I've been wanting this for a really long time. The next thing I got was this really fuzzy soft blanket. The very last gift I got that was very thoughtful is this Tommy Hilfiger purse, and I'm in love with it because I've always wanted like a super big tote bag type of purse, and I finally got one. So thank you Mom and Dad. Mom definitely picked this out, so thanks Mom, but thank you Dad. My Aunt Elsie also gave me a very nice card with some money in it, so I'm very thankful for that. I'm so thankful for everything that my friends, my family, my boyfriend, everybody got me. This year I got definitely very spoiled. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment suggestions for future videos down below, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, and a Happy New Year. Bye!